guys doing? How you guys doing? Feeding the birds, getting them some water. Gotta feed these guys, get these guys some. They have everything, just they're picky about their food. Give everybody some water, some fresh food, fresh water. Nice, you guys see she's on eggs, so her first pair of eggs she's laid. And these guys over here, well, just fed them fresh water also. They're doing pretty good. So we'll see what happens. Got some guys here to a lot of cooing going on, so like I say, these guys are doing pretty good. It's been cold the last couple of days, but they're doing pretty good now, so we'll let them be. Hope they have good eggs. That's the hen, and that is the cock. So, all right, guys.